Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So today we will discuss about the pipe insulation, clash detection and how to transfer the standard of project from one file to another file. And इससे previously videos में जो है हमने बेसिक ऑफ पाइप्स, आपके जो ड्रेनेज के पाइप्स होते हैं, स्लोप्स एंड इसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया था, रूटिंग प्रेफरेंस के बारे में. सो इफ यू हैवंट वॉच आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस प्लीज गो एंड वॉच. So continue, we are going to upload the part 5 today, and here as you can see you can provide the insulation as per your specification to the drainage or water supply or any HVAC or mechanical piping as per your project specification. So simply you have to select the pipes or the duct or any services like water supply or chilled water pipes or chilled hot water return, and as per the specification you will your client will provide like how much of thickness they will gonna use for the particular services for insulation purpose, and also the material of insulation. So as per your project specification, as you can see here, you can add the insulation in your project, and you can change the thickness also like 25 mm, 50 mm. Basically if I talk about the water supply, so around 20 mm thickness जो है most of the standard specification follows करते हैं, and if I talk about the duct, it can vary from 40 mm to 50 mm. 50 mm mostly when the ducts are in the exposed part of the building, and 40 mm when they are running inside. So these are the specification as per your project. You can cross check and add the thickness as per your client requirement. Also you can create the material as per the requirement. There are many materials available in the market for the insulation purpose, so you can create. Right now as you can see here in material, I am creating a test material for insulation, and you can use that material also in your project. So by default there are two material available, and you can create more than two as per your requirement. Also you can change the color of the insulation that you want to see in the 3D view. Like for now we have used the orange color for the insulation, so ऐसे आप जो है कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. इससे प्रीवियस वीडियोस में हमने रूटिंग प्रेफरेंस, पाइप मटेरियल, पाइपिंग सिस्टम के बारे में डिस्कस किया था. सेम वहीं से हम मटेरियल ब्राउजर वी कैन अपडेट फॉर द इंसुलेशन ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट है हमारी पाइप एसेसरीज. एज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्लम्बिंग, पाइप एसेसरीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट element for the any water supply or the our fire protection system for chill water. जो हमारी पाइप एसेसरीज होती है जिसमें हमारे वॉल्स आते हैं, और गेट वॉल, बॉल वॉल, एंड इसके साथ जो हमारी प्रेशर गेज, हमारा वाटर मीटर, ये हमारी पाइप एसेसरीज में काउंट होता है, जो कि एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. ड्रेनेज में हम बात करें तो फ्लो ड्रेन, floor clean out, these are our important pipe accessories that we use in our project. So you can directly load from the insert you have to go, then load family option there is, you can load the new pipe accessories fittings in your system, and if you have existing in your project browser you can search for that family and you can directly load from there. Like as you can see in the right side, pipe accessories, in the families there is a Revit element you will found, and in that if you load any other downloaded family that will come also in that column. So for download, आपको मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में भी बताया था कि आपके पास अगर प्रीवियस प्रोजेक्ट है उससे भी आप फैमिलीज को सेव करके इंसर्ट करा सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैन क्रिएट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, और इसी के साथ आप क्रोम से भी यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम द वेरियस वेबसाइट. ऑल्सो सम ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरर प्रोवाइडिंग दी BIM families in their website also, so from where you can also download, and some of the website are there like BIM Object, Revit City, जहाँ से आपको जो है most of the families you can download from there and you can insert in the or load in the current project. So you, after downloading, you have to go to the insert load family, and directly here you can select and load your downloaded family. So as you can see here, we have placed the gate wall in our water supply system. Now if you want a ball wall, you can also download that. So here As per your requirement, you can download the pipe accessories families. Simply you have to select the Revit family RFA.RFA, and you have to download, then you have to load into your current project. After that, you can directly place on your pipes on from project browser. Also you can search for the same name that you have downloaded. You will find in the pipe accessories column. From there you can download, put your family into the piping network as per the sizes requirement. So like this, gate wall and ball wall we have added into our water supply system. Further on, you can edit the same downloaded family as per your requirement. You can change the sizes, available sizes, like right now we have 1 inch, half inch and 3 by 4 inch sizes of this wall. You can also change this to the 2 inch, 3 inch as per your requirement. So in 3D you can see. So these are our pipe accessories, which are also the important part of the any piping network. And the wall classification based on the function and based on the operation, you can find these. In detail about this technical specification we will discuss in our technical tutorial, for what purpose all these walls are used and how we can select that in this system I need this wall. So this is the process that we discussed just now, how to place pipe accessories in your network. Next is for the plumbing part. Our plumbing fixture is an important part. So any lavatory, floor drain and kitchen sink, bathtub, urinal, all these are plumbing fixture, which are the important part of any building. You can also, same like the wall, you can download those plumbing fixture from the Chrome. So water closet, there are western type, eastern type, or you can say Indian type. And in western type also there are two types. One is the floor mounted and another one is the wall mounted. And as per the flush type also there are two type, like one which is having the tank flush, and another one which is having the direct connection from the water supply, and that flush is mounted, that flush button is mounted on the wall directly. So in that case there is no tank for the storage. So after downloading, same as the pipe accessories, you can place the plumbing fixture, like as the wall you can place the plumbing fixture wherever you require in your toilets. You can download the families for the kitchen sink, lavatories, bathtub. So like this, from after using the command CS, you can place anywhere you want. So about all of this in technical we will discuss in later videos. What are the EPC rules, what is the height, mounting height. So these are for the drainage system, this flow drain, which we call the multi inlet flow drain, FCO, which is called as a floor clean out. These are the important elements for the plumbing. So as you can see here, it is called as a multi inlet floor drain because it is having the 4 inlet, 3 inlet and 1 outlet for the drainage system. Next part is our clash detection, or we can say interference check. Like if you have drawn the model for the water supply or for the drainage, or you are having a multi-service model, then you want to detect the clash between services, you can use this Revit feature to detect and resolve the clash. Like here we have a water supply and we have a oval duct, and it is both are clashing with each other. So if you want to see the report and you want to detect the elements which are clashing with each other, you can go to collaborate. Then collaborate, you have an interference check, you have to select the duct, then another column you have to select the pipe, and here is your report. So if you click on any of the element, you will find the element highlighted. You can also export and click on show, so it will open the different views like 2D, 3D, in which the same clash will show repeatedly. If you remove the clash and if you refresh again, the report will be updated again. So this is also an important part for the interference check. Also, you can do this with Navis. Another, if you want to run the clash between your current project element and between the Revit links, you can also do this. Like our home, this home is our Revit link, and I want to detect the clash between that link and our current model element. Then we can also do the clash detection between our current model element versus the Revit links element. Like this home behind is a Revit link, and the pipe is our current model link, and wall and pipes are clashing with each other. So in 3D, as you can see, the pipe is penetrating the wall. I want to see the clash, so also you can run the clash. You have to select the pipes current project, then categories from current project. You have to select the links, then all the categories which are available in the links you will found here. You have to select the wall. Okay, then the clash report will be generated here. Then here is a show last report. Whatever report you have generated previously, it will show you again without loading and taking the time to generate the report again. Another one is transfer project standard. It is also an important part in the Revit software. Like if you are working on a previous project and you have set the templates, grids, elevations and filters, view template, and you want to start a new project again, then you want to save the time, you can transfer those project standard from previous project to the current project. So let us take an example to show you how it works. Right now, as you can see here in view template, I have only 4 view template: architecture, electrical, mechanical and plumbing. Here I have only one call out. Right now 2 projects are open in my Revit. So you can create the view template that we are already discussed in our previous videos. So plumbing is our new project and ground floor plan, that is our existing project. I can transfer the view template from the existing one to the new one without creating it again. So here in manage you will find the transfer project standard. You can transfer all of these from one project to another project. For now I am just for example I am transferring the view templates. So I have selected, just follow the process, and here you can find again go to view template. All those 4 architectural plumbing will be available here. So like this you can transfer the project standard from your previous to existing current one. So there are many options available, so which of the category you want to transfer you can choose. So like in plumbing, again we are transferring from the ground floor plan. I will select the view template. So existing here are only 4. Now all the ground floor plan model view template will be transferred here, as you can see like this. So this is also an important part. Let's give you the another example. Here we have the existing. Now I will create the new project file again, that is level 0. Now I will. So as you can see here in our previous project we have some filters to change the color of wall in our 2D interface. So you can create in level 0 project from scratch, and if you want to save the time you can transfer from the previous project to here. So this also again we will set an example how to transfer to the project standard. Also view templates and all these things you can transfer from previous one. So there are many categories available, so you have to select what you want to transfer. So let us create a template in the existing our previous model, name as a test template. and with template and filters both we will transfer into our new project. Here as you can see, we do not have the test template name. In this project we are having test template and filters both. So go to our new project, manage, and you will go to transfer project standard, from which the existing one, that is copy from, you will see here. Now you will select the view template and filters, and you can select all of them as per your requirement. So let's see the mechanical setting also. So we will transfer three things: filters, view template, and mechanical setting. Let's see here. We will change some of the mechanical setting. We will transfer into another project. Mechanical settings we have discussed in our previous videos. These are the important settings that need to be set up in the initial time of the project before starting. That is very important. From ground floor we will transfer to the level 0, check all or check none. Then we will go to the view template and filters and the pipe settings. So previously I have set the degree to the 10 degree, but in previous project it is 5 degree, so it will again change to the 5 degree. So as you can see here, it has taken. Now the filters we will transfer. So at a one go you can set, but for example I am transferring each categories by individual. So now I have transferred all the parameters. So in VV we will go, we will find the filters also here: wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4. So this is how you can transfer the project standard from your existing project to the new project. This is only for saving the time and for the consistency of the model. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share, comment.